Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your shipping label on Vinted in 2026. So if you have sold an item and don't know where the label is, don't worry, Vinted is going to create it automatically once the buyer pays. So first of all, come here either on vinted.com or you can also follow the same steps on your Vinted mobile application. Just make sure that you log in into your account first if you haven't already. Over here, click on this messages icon on the top. Now you need to open the conversation for the item that you have just sold. Inside the order page, you will see the section that would say shipping label or download label or view the label. So when you click on it, your shipping label will open as a PDF. From here, you can download it to your computer or you can print it directly. This is the main and the fastest way to get your label. If you don't see the label in the orders page, you can just simply check your email inbox. You can search for Vinted shipping label, open the email that you have received from Vinted, and you will usually find the label attached or a button to download it. Now, many times the label arrives by email even before it shows on the website. So once you have the label, just print it, attach it to your package and drop it off with the courier shown on the label. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.